Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the 2012 NASCAR Nationwide Series, a pivotal season in the history of NASCAR's second-tier racing series. Buckle up as we take a ride through some of the highlights, key moments, and big players in this thrilling season. The 2012 NASCAR Nationwide Series, now known as the Xfinity Series, ran from February to November, featuring 33 races across various tracks in the United States. It marked the 31st season of the series, showcasing both established veterans and rising stars in the NASCAR world. This season saw major developments, from changes in race formats to the dominance of new drivers and team lineups. It was a year of intense competition and memorable moments, contributing to the growth and excitement of NASCAR. One of the biggest stories of the 2012 season was the intense championship battle. Ricky Stenhouse Jr., driving for Roush Fenway Racing, captured the series title after a hard-fought season. Stenhouse clinched the championship with 2 wins and consistent performances, overcoming the pressure from other drivers like Elliott Sadler and Austin Dillon. This victory marked Stenhouse's second consecutive Nationwide Series title, showcasing his rise to prominence in NASCAR. His victory highlighted his strong finishes throughout the season, his ability to handle the season's highs and lows. While Stenhouse Jr. claimed the championship, other drivers also had standout performances throughout the year. Elliott Sadler, driving for Richard Childress Racing, finished second in points, falling just short of the title in a nail-biting finale. Austin Dillon, another notable driver, made his mark by finishing third in the standings, adding to his reputation as a rising star. Additionally, drivers like Kyle Busch, Brad Keselowski, and Danica Patrick made appearances, adding excitement to the series with their occasional wins and top 10 finishes. Brad Keselowski, in particular, stood out with his occasional victories and strong results in the series, despite focusing on the Sprint Cup Series. The 2012 season was filled with exciting races. A notable moment came at Daytona International Speedway during the season opener, where the race saw high-speed crashes and dramatic finishes. Another thrilling event occurred at Chicagoland Speedway, where Stenhouse Jr. and Sadler battled it out, showing their resilience. In total, there were several multi-car accidents and intense race strategies, keeping fans on the edge of their seats throughout the season. With dramatic finishes and unexpected twists, it's no wonder that the Nationwide Series was becoming a fan favorite in the world of motorsports. The 2012 season was also significant for some key changes. One of the biggest stories was the series' continued integration with Sprint Cup drivers, who participated in select nationwide races. This created a mix of experienced talent and young drivers, making the races even more exciting and unpredictable. Additionally, NASCAR implemented changes to the schedule and format, allowing for greater flexibility and excitement. The Nationwide Series also started gaining more exposure, partly due to the increase in media coverage and the growing presence of drivers like Danica Patrick, who brought attention to the series in a big way. In conclusion, the 2012 NASCAR Nationwide Series was a landmark season that blended competitive racing, exciting rivalries, and impressive driver performances. Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s championship victory marked a high point in the series, while young talents and seasoned veterans made their marks. With thrilling races and unforgettable moments, this season solidified NASCAR's place as a leader in motorsport entertainment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NASCAR content. We'll see you in the next video.